Japan is a land of contrasts, where ancient traditions meet cutting-edge technology. Picture yourself wandering through the serene temples of Kyoto, surrounded by cherry blossoms in full bloom. The air is filled with the scent of incense, and the sound of a gentle stream nearby creates a peaceful atmosphere. Then, in stark contrast, you find yourself in the bustling streets of Tokyo, where neon lights illuminate the night and the energy is palpable. Indulge in delicious street food like takoyaki and okonomiyaki, or savor a bowl of ramen in a cozy izakaya. Don't miss the chance to experience a traditional tea ceremony, a beautiful ritual that embodies Japan's rich culture. And if you're feeling adventurous, take a day trip to Mount Fuji for breathtaking views and unforgettable hiking trails. Japan is a place where every moment is an adventure, blending the old with the new in the most captivating way.